Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Consultant Mindset. Our channel Consultant Mindset aims to provide you with the best knowledge and consultancy regarding your daily life issues. Let us not waste much time and jump right into the topic of our today's video. This video will give you recommendations on how you can practice charity in your daily life. Before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Consultant Mindset. Charity is something that is often mistaken for money only. But giving time to a depressed, lonely person is also charity. Helping a stranger is also a form of charity. Helping a stranger. In our society, most people avoid helping any of the masses. They just keep doing their work instead of lending a hand to the needy. I will give an example in this case. If the people will see a man crying in the middle of the road for some sort of help, they will just gather around him as a source of entertainment. They will not take into account that he is disturbed. Give money. Practicing charity mainly revolves around helping poor people. More appropriately, helping people in need. It is highly mentioned in our holy book that if you do deeds of charity openly, it is well, but if you bestow it upon the needy secretly, it will be even better for you. 2:271. Giving money to needy people shows love for humanity. And our religion Islam teaches us to fulfill human needs. The rights of humans are first to be asked after death. If a neighbor in your neighborhood is poor and cannot afford food for his family, then his responsibility lays on you. You are responsible for him and his family. You have to make sure that no one around your circle faces a shortage of basic needs. This comes under the area of rights of neighbors. There are many ahadis strictly commanding to take care of your neighbors. The integral step is that you should keep in mind that you are doing it for your Almighty Lord and not for a public show. You should keep in mind that He will reward you for this in your afterlife. Charity not only brings peace but also improves your thoughts on humanitarian grounds. Help orphans get an education. According to ahadis of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he highly focuses on the rights and taking care of orphans. One of his hadiths written in Ibn Majah is the best household is the one where orphans are treated well, the worst household is the one where orphans are ill-treated. How can we help orphans? We can help them by helping them in getting an education, taking to them politely, giving them love, understanding their emotions and needs. These all are kinds of charity. And charity is for Almighty Lord, not for people. As there is 215 verse of Surah Baqarah, whatever good you spend should be for parents, kinsmen, orphans, the needy and the wayfarer, and whatever good you do, Allah is all aware of it. And Prophet Muhammad said that supporting orphans is a continuous form of charity. And all of your deeds comes to end when you die except 3. Sadaqah-e-jariyah, continuous charity, knowledge from which benefit is gained, and a righteous child who prays. I must conclude this whole discussion by saying that charity is not helpful for your afterlife only but for your peace as well. It brings humanity to a person and helps you to understand other people's emotions efficiently. Being generous to the needy is the ultimate form of charity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye.